Zions is such a great company to work with that I recommend them everywhere I go. If I hear about a security system, cameras, an alarm, my first recommendation is Zion Security Alarm. I bought a security system from Zion Security Alarms about 4 years ago, and it's been great. We actually have a keypad on our back door where we can let our kids in, or we can unlock it for other people if we have anybody come to the house. We have a thermostat. It's a smart thermostat, so if I'm on the road and I want to turn the air conditioning down before I get home, I can do that.
In our home, we have an alarm system that it's a basic system. We have a control panel, which I love. It's very, very user-friendly. Just touch the keypad and away you go. And then we have a few door sensors that keep our house safe and secure.
Our favorite thing of having our system is that we're able to connect on at any point in time, day and night, and see exactly any status that might be there. Plus, if we're out of town, we're able to set the alarms if we forgot and know that everything's secure and safe as we leave town.
Zion Security Alarm has a wonderful app that we have on our phones. Both my wife and I use it. It is extremely easy to use. We use it when we leave the house to set the alarm, maybe when we're coming home.
The system's extremely easy to use. Customer service has been 100% perfect. Anytime there's been any question or issues, they've been on the spot to clarify and help with any questions we have. I would highly recommend Zion Security Alarms. They are great to work with, very responsive. Their cameras and systems are top quality, and they're perfect to work with.
I would recommend Zion Security Alarm to anybody. Their customer service is top-notch. They have a wonderful rating with the BBB. I actually worked in the security industry for a number of years, and Zion Security is the best of the best. Love the company, love their service, love their product.